Today's topic is happiness. In Hindi we call it what? Happiness. In Hindi what we call it? Anand. Or we also call it Khushi. Okay, how do you write Khushi? Like this. This is Khushi or this is Khushi? How do you write Khushi? This way or the other way? This way, Khushi. Okay, let's write Khushi. So what is happiness? Happiness is a state of mind. Happiness is a state of mind. When a person is happy, then something good is happening with him. And if something good is not happening, then he is sad, he is depressed. So everybody wants to be happy. Happiness is what everybody wants. Everybody plans for happiness. And depression, sadness, these all are inbuilt. These are inbuilt. This is by the nature. You know what built मतलब बन गया है, inbuilt बन गया है. It is inbuilt. Look, inbuilt. Nobody has designed it. Part of nature. So there are so many good feelings in nature and there are so many bad feelings in nature. Good is what we want, bad is what we don't want, but bad keeps coming. So happiness is something which we want in our life. Everybody wants to be happy. They keep doing something where in order to get happiness, they go with their family on weekends, watch movies. Isn't it? These are stuff with which people get happy. So many people, they even do charity. Some people, they get happiness by getting the success. When everybody claps for them, then they get a standing ovation. Okay, what is standing ovation? Standing ovation. Standing ovation means खड़े होके किसी को वाह-वाही करना, ताली बजाना. That is known as standing ovation. Some people get want that kind of standing ovation. So people want happiness from so many things. Some people are very happy when they get to eat the food of their choice. Some people are happy when they go for the world tour. एक आप देखते हैं होता क्या. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4. So happiness is something which everybody wants. You want to be happy. And in order to get happiness, people they do certain categories of things. They watch, they wear the clothes of their niceness. They go for watching movies. They go for watching cricket matches. Isn't it? So, happiness has to be brought and sadness comes. You don't have any control on it. Remorse is another good word for sadness. Remorse. When you are not happy. So, remorse comes to your life. Happiness has to be brought. Remorse. Do. Happiness has to be brought. Everybody, now people will be same if there is a lot of happiness in their life. What is the meaning of same? मतलब सही दिमाग को sane बोलते हैं और उल्टा पागल दिमाग को insane बोलते हैं. We want happiness to stay with us forever. But I don't know, there are so many conditions on which your happiness could be destroyed any moment. Sometimes it could be your own stupidity, your own foolishness. Sometimes it could be by grand design that you can't be happy forever. If you are enjoying 2 months of happiness, you should have that feeling in your mind that the next day is going to be a big turmoil. There are going to be a catastrophe. There is going to be a catastrophe. Catastrophe. Vipada. Sankat. Sankat. You are getting? We want to be happy, but some people are smart. They could get happiness by being over there where they can see future. They can see future, they can plan it, but everybody is not so well planned. Everybody is not able to get the future. They are able to understand. They are not able to find out what is going to happen. You can't be a fortune teller every time. But yes, smart people, people who are able to plan life earlier, they are able to get more happiness in terms of substance. Many ways. There might be people who are not so smart, they are a little stupid. They may not be able to get and extract everything that this world has to offer. सुनाई दे रहा है? You may not get, if you are not so smart, you may not get every happiness. If you are smart, you will get, you find, you buy, you use different twisted methods, crooked methods. मतलब तोड़ के चीजों को अपने हिसाब से करने, चीजों को सजाना, उनको वो मिलता है चीजें. Crooked. So should we be smart in order to get more happiness in your life? Can't you be just a simple man and still expect happiness and good things from your life? No, this world is not that category of place. This world is only meant for smart people. People who make mistakes, for them this world isn't the place. Because everybody is there sitting on your top to kill you. They are there to eat you up. You can't be a simple man and still expect that happiness will come to you. No. Happiness is only meant for rich and smart and sophisticated people. People of elite class. People of higher class. If you are not smart, if you are not well spoken, if you are not well said, you can't expect happiness in your life. Being a half-witted person, half-witted मतलब आधा दिमाग, you can only expect pain in your life. Because others, mostly I am talking about people around you, they are only there to make you sad. So if you want happiness, you got to snatch it. You got to find it. You have got to take it. This is how the world is designed. But can you be that category of person? Are you that category of person? Even when you ask such questions. Is it possible for you to do everything? We also need to find out what category of a person you are. So happiness is always in the form of substance, in movies and theaters and good clothing and all things that. People can be happy with simple stuff, with simple likings in life, with simple materials. It may not give you luxury, but it will definitely give you happiness. But when happiness comes to you, you need to expect the second day will not be as happy as today or yesterday. grand design. Pain is waiting. Extreme pain is waiting. So by the time you have it, you enjoy it, you savor it. Savor मतलब किसी खाने का आनंद लेना. तो जब तक खुशी जीवन में है आनंद ले लो. The next day can be a blackout. घोर अंधेरा. सेवन मतलब अच्छी चीजों का रस लेना जीवन में या खाने का रस लेना.
सेवर टाइम ही बोलते ना.
वो अलग चीज है.
हाँ
वो अलग चीज है. ये बंद ही हो गया क्या? हेलो. Happiness, happiness, happiness. Oh, everybody wants happiness. Everybody wants happiness. You are expecting happiness will come in your life. You plan it. You get it. You plan. You get it. What you have it, you enjoy it. But when it comes from making others unhappy, you got to pay for it in this lifetime. So if you are bringing your happiness on the best of other people's cause मतलब दूसरों की लाश का. One day you are going to turn out into a morgue. Morgue कैसे लिखते हैं? Morgue मतलब ये क्या बोलते हैं? यहाँ पर लाश को रखते हैं मरने के बाद. ये सब में happiness. Well, enjoy a happy life, with which I will conclude today's session. Okay, I hope everybody enjoys a happy life. Oh, yes. Great. Thank you. चलो कैसे बोले ताली वाली थोड़ा रिकॉर्डिंग हो रहा है.